guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Corie. I hope you guys will choose to stick around and subscribe. Today I have a huge haul for you guys, and it's huge. If you guys didn't know, I'm a senior in college and I am a family and consumer sciences education major. One of the classes that I have to take is a preschool class basically, and my college puts on a preschool for children. Anybody can sign up, and I have to help teach it. There's me and a couple of other teachers, and we have to teach the preschool. Obviously we have a dress code, and I didn't have a ton of business casual clothing because I obviously haven't taught yet, but I have this, and then I'm immediately going into my practicum where I have to be observing in the schools and dressing business professional, or business casual, sorry, and then I do my student teaching, and then I teach. So I needed an update on my wardrobe. I also bought a whole bunch of books. I bought some stuff for YouTube, and I bought a whole bunch of jewelry, and I also made a purchase at Sephora. Don't judge me. Let's just get into it. I'm gonna start with jewelry because I bought a lot. If you guys didn't know, I have some piercings. So I recently got my conch pierced a couple of months ago, and I want to change it into a hoop. So I bought a couple of hoops as options to try. Most of the ones that I got are off of Etsy. I will link them down below. I got this twisted hoop to go in my conch. I also got this beaded hoop as an option. I placed a purchase on Urban Outfitters. I got these little hoops. I will link everything down below, like I said before. I got these little hoops to go in my second holes. They're just a little bit thicker than the ones I'm wearing now. I just have two very thin wire hoops currently in my first and second holes. These very small twisted hoops also for my first or second holes. Lastly, for jewelry, these are just bigger, thicker twisted hoops. These are also, oops, I just threw one. These are also from Etsy. I don't love the post on these. They're really hard to get into my holes because they're just a really weird shape. Now I'm going to get into the Amazon stuff that I have purchased, which includes some books. First thing I bought is a new laptop case. It's just this really pretty pale blue, and I got this to replace the case that's currently on my laptop. The one that's currently on my laptop is just shot, so I just needed a new one. I also got this little phone tripod adapter so that you can like put your phone in here and then put it on your tripod. This is really good if you want to vlog on your phone in your car and you have like a car mount, or if you want to take selfies on your tripod in your house, and you can have this on your tripod. And then the other thing that I bought is a little wireless remote for your camera on your phone, so you can be like back here and like be clicking away like, yeah. Last techie thing that I got is this Manfrotto small tripod. This is, I don't usually use it as a tripod, I usually use it as a handle for vlogging. Another thing that I got from Amazon are these bike shorts. These are, I've already worn these a couple of times. They're really awesome. They don't ride down too much. They're really great for working out, especially in the summer. It is way too hot for full-blown leggings. Absolutely not. Also on Amazon, I bought a few textbooks just for my spring semester, or my summer semester. I also bought this tray organizer. Me and my husband have this big, it's kind of like an old dining room table, and I just needed some organization for my books on there. So I bought that organizer for my books. Now I bought a lot of books. I bought like $100 worth of just like pleasure books. I have a problem. I bought the Printed Letter Bookshop. I already read this one. It was alright, not my favorite. It was kind of aesthetically pleasing. I mean, like, it's about a bookshop, but it was also kind of depressing. I liked this one better. This was the knockoff. This was a recommendation from Lipsticks and Lattes. I think she was the one who was reading it. I liked it a lot. It's kind of Devil Wears Prada. I also bought another recommendation from Lipsticks and Lattes, When Life Gives You Lululemons. I haven't read this one yet, but I'm really excited to. I also bought Park Avenue Summer. This was a Katie Bellotti recommendation, I believe, and I think that I'm going to love this one because I believe it takes place, yeah, it takes place in 1965, and I am such an old soul. This is gonna be perfect for me. Like, I feel it in my soul. And then I also bought The Coincidence of Coconut Cake by Amy E. Reichert. And I've already read one of her other books, and I think that this one is going to be a good one also. And that is it for books that I bought. I purchased a dress from this online shop called Ruli. I had never heard of it before, but it came up as a sponsored post on my Instagram feed, and I was like, I'm down for that. And so I went on and I bought a dress. I'll put a side card of what it actually looks like. It is so flowy, it's very cool, good for summer. I also placed a purchase on Target's website. I bought a couple pairs of shoes. I bought this pair of strappy brown sandals. I have a pair of Steve Madden that are very similar to this, but they broke and I'm mad about it. And they're like my go-to sandal for summer, so like I needed a new pair. And I also bought these pair of strappy brown sandals that are just slip-ons. They're very similar, probably shouldn't have kept both, but I liked them both a lot and I wear brown sandals all the time, so it's worth it to me. I got this leopard button down, which I think will just look good with like black jeans or like a flowy skirt. Good for the business casual, you know. Since I'm a fax ed major, I'm very obsessed with checking the tag on everything, and I'm obsessed with knowing what everything is made of because that makes a big difference in like the care of the product. Like rayon is the most comfortable fabric in the history of the universe. I love that man-made fabric. However, it shrinks like a mother trucker and I don't want to deal with that. I don't need something that says you can wash on cold and tumble dry low and then it comes out looking like a child size 2. I don't need that. But this one is 92% polyester, 8% spandex, so it's going to have a similar feel to rayon, but it's not going to shrink like rayon. I also bought, what the fork is this? I don't remember buying this. Oh, another button-down shirt. Those are different sleeves than I remember. However, it feels kind of like linen, so I'm afraid it's gonna be a little bit wrinkly, but it's okay. And then I also bought this dress, and it's got some colors in it, but I think it would be really cute to pair it. It has a sash, so I think it'll look really good on, but I think it'll be really cute to pair like a white t-shirt underneath or a black t-shirt underneath. And that's all I got from Target. Then I made a purchase on ASOS.com. They're really great for plus size and tall clothing items, and they have a lot of really good business stuff as well. Like a lot of good trousers. So I got this pair of paper bag trousers. These might be a little bit short on me, but they're black, they'll go with everything. And then I got a similar style paper bag trousers in a army green. And then lastly, I think these would be cute like for business casual and or just styling in general, because frankly pants and trousers are so much more comfortable than jeans. I don't know how these are gonna look. I love the fabric on them and I like the pleating, but it's elastic on the backside, so you'd have to wear a shirt over it, I think. We'll see how those work. I wanted to let you guys know that I returned these pants due to the elastic on the back. They looked like clown pants on me, and I did try another size in these. I returned them and exchanged them for a smaller size, and they still looked awful. So I just wanted to warn you guys against getting this pair of pants. I know that the fabric is amazing, but it's just not worth your time. And lastly, I made a purchase on Sephora. I know I'm ridiculous. First thing, I bought Ole Henriksen Glow 2.0 dark spot toner. I have a lot of acne scars on my cheeks, and I used this for the first time last night, and I swear to you on my life they're lighter today. I'll keep you updated. I also bought the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder Foundation. Everyone was raving about this, and I love a powder foundation for the summer. Nicole Guerrero talked about it, Kathleen Lights talked about it, and Casey Holmes talked about it, and those three are like my holy trinity of makeup, so I trust their opinion. If all three of them talked about it, we're buying it. And then I got a couple of just replacement products. I repurchased my SPF that I use on a daily basis, the Drunk Elephant Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense, and it's a physical sunscreen, so it's with zinc and it's SPF 30. I use this as a primer. It works super well as a primer. It gets a little bit tacky on the skin, and so foundation sits really well over it. I got a little freebie of the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I'm excited to try this. I'll keep you guys updated on what I think. And then I also got a backup of my Way Wave Spray. If you guys couldn't tell, it's a little bit frizzy today, but it's okay. I have wavy / curly hair. This stuff works awesome. That's it for this haul. That was intense, and I went through a lot of stuff really quickly. Hopefully this was entertaining for you guys. I will leave links for everything down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, especially like for the beauty products. I'll probably tell you there first if something is like insanely good. So check there. go follow me, I'll follow you back, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!